Everything we think we know about the universe is actually just the tip of the iceberg. Here are 10 shocking facts about the universe. Which facts surprised you the most? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. 95% of the universe is invisible. Only 5% of the universe is made up of matter we know. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, and we can't see it, we can only feel its effects. So most of the universe is still a huge mystery. Giant alcohol clouds in space. There are giant alcohol clouds in space big enough to make trillions of beers. These clouds are made of ethanol and water. Scientists observe them with radio telescopes, and maybe one day experiments will be done on them. The Milky Way and Andromeda will collide. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with Andromeda in about 4 billion years. Don't worry, the stars won't collide, but the shapes of the galaxies will completely change. New star systems and planets may emerge. Observable universe is 93 billion light-years wide. The observable universe is exactly 93 billion light-years wide. It's so big that it takes millions of years for light to reach us, so we can only see a tiny portion of it. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A teaspoon of matter from a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons on Earth. Small, but incredibly dense. A teaspoon of this matter could weigh as much as an entire mountain. We can't see dark matter. There are areas of the universe with dark matter, but we can't see it. It doesn't reflect or emit light. We can only know it exists through its gravitational effects, which explain the motion of galaxies. The first seconds of the universe were dark. In the first seconds of the universe, there was no light. Everything was dark. This period is called the Dark Age. When the first stars appeared, the universe started to fill with light and has been constantly expanding ever since. The universe is extremely cold. The average temperature of the universe is -270 degrees Celsius. That's very close to absolute zero. In this cold and quiet environment, the existence of life is almost impossible. Dark voids. Some regions of the universe are completely dark and emit no light. These regions mostly contain no stars or galaxies. Astronomers call them cosmic voids, and they provide critical clues to understanding the structure of the universe. New stars are born in galaxies. As the universe expands, galaxies move away from each other, but new stars are born, gas clouds compress, and stars form. So the universe is both expanding and constantly renewing itself. Truly alive. Share the interesting facts you know about the universe in the comments. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Shocking facts are on this channel.